Hi, welcome to Learn English Every Day. In today's video, we're going grocery shopping. You'll learn useful vocabulary, phrases, and techniques to help you confidently shop in English. Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Lily. I moved here last month, and I'm learning English. Today, I am going to the grocery store for the first time. Before I leave, I make a shopping list to help me remember what I need to buy. Apples, bread, milk, eggs, rice, and soap. I put my list in my bag and start walking to the store. The weather is sunny and the air feels cool. It's a nice day for a walk. When I arrive, I take a deep breath. I'm ready to try my best. When I walk into the store, I see many aisles with different items. I look around and start with the first item on my list. Apples. The apples are red and look fresh. They are shiny, and I think they will taste sweet. I pick up 3 and put them in my basket. Then I look for bread and milk. The milk is in the refrigerator section. But I can't find the bread. I feel a little lost. I see a store worker nearby. I decide to ask for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Bread. Where is the bread?
The bread is in all 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I feel more confident. I find the eggs in the dairy section and rice in the grain section. I put soap in my basket last. My basket is getting heavy, but I'm happy because I have everything on my list. I walk to the cash register to pay.
Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $15. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Do you want to pay by cash or card?
Card, please. I pay for my groceries, take my bag, and say thank you. I walk out of store and I feel proud because I did it. I went grocery shopping by myself, spoke some English, and got everything I needed. Grocery shopping was a little scary at first, but now I feel happy and more confident.
Let's take a look at the meaning of the key words in the story.
Grocery store. A shop where food and household items are sold. Example. I go to the grocery store every week to buy food. Shopping list. A list of things you want to buy. Example. Before going to the store, I made a shopping list with bread, milk, and eggs. Aisle. A walkway between shelves in a store. Example. The bread is in aisle 3 next to the rice. Fresh. Recently made, grown, or picked, not old. Example. The apples look fresh and delicious. Lost. Not knowing where to go or find something. Example. I felt lost when I couldn't find the bread. Worker. A person who helps customers in a store. Example. I asked the worker to help me find the bread. Cash register. A machine where the cashier checks and totals your items. Example. I walked to the cash register to pay for my groceries. Total, the full amount of money you need to pay. Example. The total for my groceries was $15. Confident. Feeling sure of yourself and your abilities. Example. After finding all my items, I felt more confident. Proud. Feeling happy about what you have done. Example. I felt proud because I went shopping by myself and spoke English. Comprehension check. Questions to test your understanding. Where did Lily go for the first time? A. To the park. B. To the grocery store. C. To the library. D. To a restaurant. B. To the grocery store. 2. What did Lily do before going to the grocery store? A. She ate breakfast. B. She wrote a shopping list. C. She talked to a friend. D. She cleaned her house. B. She wrote a shopping list. 3. How was the weather when Lily walked to the store? A. It was rainy. B. It was sunny and cool. C. It was cloudy. D. It was very windy. B. It was sunny and cool. 4. Where did Lily find the apples? A. In the fruit section. B. In the vegetable section. C. In the refrigerator section. D. In aisle 3. A. In the fruit section. 5. What did Lily do when she couldn't find the bread? A. She gave up and left the store. B. She asked a store worker for help. C. She called her friend for help. D. She walked around the store until she found it. B. She asked a store worker for help. 6. How did Lily pay for her groceries? A. With cash. B. With a card. C. With a check. D. She didn't pay. B. With a card. 7. How did Lily feel after finishing her shopping? A. Sad. B. Tired. C. Proud and confident. D. Nervous. C. Proud and confident.